Good evening, friends. Absolutely a pleasure to be here to launch this book, which is the Tamil version of the President's Manual. I've known Oli for now quite some time, and I find that he is quite a bookworm. He is into, he's always letting us know of what books are coming out, etc. His passion for reading, his passion for now writing is so very evident, and it's such a nice habit. I only wish I could read as many books as Oli reads, and Oli, I'm so happy that you have. I just heard you started writing short stories. If any of them are in English, do send them. If they are in Tamil, well, for some other time probably. I'm very happy to see this book that you've made. Not that I could make anything out of it, but I know if you've done a job, you do it very well. That's what a leader you are. So humble, always down to earth. And to me, that's one of the best qualities I find in you. So very humble and so soft spoken. And yet you wear so many hats, you do so many things. The President's Manual is an extremely important publication that Rotary International comes out with. I surely feel that if we want to get the work done at the grassroots level by Rotarians, the focus has to be on the club presidents, because they are the people who will get the work done at the grassroots level. A district governor can inspire, motivate others to do the job. He or she does not get so much of a hands-on opportunity as the club president gets. Club president's group is smaller, 30, 40, 50, at times 100, 200 people are to be managed. A district governor has to look after nearly 2 to 4,000 people. So a club president is an extremely effective officer that we have. And around the world, imagine how this organization works. Each year, nearly 35,000 of them keep changing. And yet we have consistency, we have continuity, and we have credibility in the organization. We take up one program and for 35 years we keep working on it. Despite the fact that the entire leadership changes. Try and fit this into any other organization in the world, they will not be able to do it. Try and fit it to Coca-Cola, or to Microsoft, or to Google, or to Facebook, or to BMW. They will not survive for 2 years. And mind you, 1.2 million people working across the world, not a single one being paid anything. So it is the presidents who motivate people and get the job done. So the presidents need to be trained very well. Somebody may say, oh, why do you need to train volunteers? So my take on that is, I would not like to go on a bridge which has been built by an untrained engineer. I don't want to get my surgery done by a surgeon who is not a trained surgeon. So if for a surgery, for a bridge, you need trained people, why do you not need trained people for service activities? Let me tell you, service activities actually require some of the best brains in the world. What are the biggest problems of this world? Poverty, hunger, water, illiteracy, sanitation problems, disaster management, and yet we try to fix them up with very ordinary people. No, these are the biggest problems in the world. So you need the best people to solve them. Similarly, if Rotary is to fight with all these issues, then you need trained people. And the training manual is going to go a long way. Well done, Oli. And I'm very happy that you've written this book, and may you keep writing book after book. There is a lot that can be translated into Tamil again about, and why does it need to be translated into Tamil? No other state probably has as many members as many Rotarians as probably Tamil Nadu has. I've not done the calculation, but I'm quite sure with so many districts and such great density there, I'm sure it is the #1 state as far as the membership is concerned. So it's very important that they get it in the language that they feel comfortable. I've always felt that people should speak also and conduct their business in the language they are most comfortable with. I served with a president who was a Japanese. He did not speak too much English, and yet he is an outstanding president, Sakuji Tanaka, that we have had. So language is for conveying things, and I'm very happy that you have translated it. All the very best. Keep doing this great work, Oli. Thank you. Been a pleasure being with all of you. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Shekharda, for emphasizing on the importance of the President's Manual to everyone. I'm sure people will benefit from this book in their regional language. Thank you very much for your presence also here today, despite your busy schedule.
Thank you, Shekharda. I'm really humbled. We have done scores of book launches in our publishing house, but this is for the first time I had a personality like you, a man who was committed for literacy, who has got a dream and passion to eradicate illiteracy from the face of this country. You are really a tall and inspiring leader for me. The time I met you in 2008, since then you have been constantly inspiring us. It is a great day for me in my life. I will always remember and cherish Shekharda. Thank you very much for those lovely words.
Thank you. Thank you, Oli. All the best.